Alright, ladies and gentlemen, here we go. Got a Odin Works Atlas. This is a 6.5 Grendel. Just gonna see what it does. Went ahead, wanted to put a different brake on the front, and seen these, so I figured I'd pick it up and find out if Odin works on my 6.5 Grendel. See what I did there? Yeah. Alright, I want another quick observation for y'all on this when y'all are watching the video in slow motion. Y'all take a look and see how little movement is going on, especially the up and down. I mean, it literally is not moving at all on this whatsoever. Just take a look. Y'all stand by. So you can tune it. I mean, y'all have seen these. These been out for a little while. I figured, hell, I'm going to try one. The vor-tx, as long as that other hole is where I think it is, seems to be doing pretty good. Not bad. Alright, it's been a while since I've actually did any filming. All those other videos are a few years old.